Hello there, welcome to the course called Computational Thinking and Programming Part 1. This course has been designed for CBSE Class 11th student. Key feature of this was that the entire course has been divided and cover the revised syllabus of Computational Thinking and Programming Part 1. Each chapter will have theory, explanation session and practical session. For the practical session, I used Python interactive mode, Visual Studio Code, and Jupyter Notebook for writing the Python programs. Also cover 18 suggested practical Python programs. Entire course has been divided into three sections. First, computational thinking, Python programming, and suggested Python programming practicals. In computational thinking, I explained problem solving, analysis and designing, representation of algorithm, flowchart, and pseudocode. Section 2, that is all about Python programming, in which I cover some basics of Python programming, that is, we'll able to know how to write the Python programs, what are the mode and differences. Then we'll have like a feature of Python program, comments, data types, operators, condition statement, string, list, tuple, dictionary, and Python modules. Also, during each chapter where in syllabus mention the program, you will also see the programs for those corresponding sections. In section 3, we'll have like 18 different programs, that is suggested practical session, in which I just write the program line by line and explain you purposes and uses for 18 different programs. So let's start and learn Python as well as complete the computational thinking and programming part 1 quickly.